Hello, today we talk about how to know your land cost before you place the order from 1688. We have some customers, they want to know how much they need to spend for this whole order from the product purchase to the shipping cost. And this is also very important for some new customers because they are new. When they found some product is very cheap in China, they have no idea how the shipping cost is. Thus, to know a shipping cost before they place the order is very important. Let's talk about how to start to get this calculated. Firstly, we will ask the customer to send us an order list. Because we have a lot of experiences with many orders that is filled with many different kinds of products. So when we get an order list like this, we will check the order quantity and the product type to estimate the shipping cost. For example, if we know this customer is the destination shipping country is USA or some EU some European countries, thus we will use the carton dimension based on the Amazon standard. We can estimate this different kinds of products will need how many packages. Then we can estimate the chargeable weight to our customer. Then we will code some LDDP shipping or the CDDP shipping options to our customer. Of course, we will check the total product cost and our commission so that customer can know all the cost. Also, let's talk about the product type. For some order, the items may be small stuff and the quantity is small. For this order, it is easy to check how many cartons will needed. But for some items that is with large quantity and the packaging is regular with like some boxes. In this way, we can contact the supplier to ask them to send us the packing dimension and also the gross weight for each package. For the shipping cost volatility, for some air DDP, like also some air express shipping cost, the volatility for them normally is about 1 week because the shipping cost may changes every week. But for the sea shipping cost, the sea shipping cost is relatively steady, so you do not need to worry too much about the shipping cost increase for the sea shipping. Another thing is about how the final actual chargeable weight will be. After we place the order, we get the orders in our warehouse. We will know the actual packing list. When we handle the purchase of your order, we will do some basic quality check to make sure the quality is no problem. But after we finish the repacking, we will send you the packing list. So you can send this packing list to your shipping forwarder for the shipping quotation. If their shipping price is good for you, they can come to our warehouse for the pickup, or we send the goods to their warehouse. Thus, we will know the chargeable weight. If we found the chargeable weight is not too much as we estimated, we may suggest the customer to buy more goods here, thus to consolidate into one shipment to make the whole shipping cost more effective. And how we deal the orders after we get the goods in our warehouse, you can check our next videos to see how we do the basic quality control.
Now, I personally inspected all 30 sets. Took me over 4 hours. Scale by scale, stitch by stitch, box by box. Out of 30 sets, I found 3 defective pieces. For example, one gift box had a scratch on the surface. Small issues, but for a gift meant to say, thank you to core team members, not acceptable. So I immediately contacted the supplier and they sent brand new replacements. No arguments, no delays. Because our bottom line is simple. A gift is for the people you trust most. I will never let any thank you arrive with regret. We take full responsibility for every single order from material selection to final packaging. If you're looking for genuine crocodile leather wallets or card holders, whether for yourself or as an unforgettable gift, reach out to us. We'll provide the most thorough service, from customization to delivery. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.